Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to do an old school bloom technique where I do a puddle in the middle and blow it out, and then we're going to spin it. And this is a 6x6 inch level 3 artist loft canvas. It's the gallery wrapped heavy duty canvas. And I have already put my pillow paint down, which is yeah, all the materials will be listed below. So here are the paints I'm using today. Two primary elements. One is that Boysenberry. It's like a really deep dark purple. And then the other one is Passion. So, and then Liquitex Basics, Brilliant Purple. Check this out. Look at that color. Isn't that crazy? That was the Boysenberry, and this is the Passion. Don't know why I keep going off center. Sorry about that, guys. And then here's the other one, the Liquitex Basics, Brilliant Purple. All right, I have my cell activator mixed up here with the Amsterdam White and floetrol, a little bit of water, and a little of the Minwax conditioner. All right, let's just get going. Yeah, I haven't done just a regular where you blow it out in a while. I've been doing those drizzles and swipes and kind of missing. I saw one of my old videos and I was like, oh my gosh, I remember how fun that was. I need to do that. All right, put this next. So if you don't know how to mix up these ingredients, just check out the my full tutorial. It is going to be pinned in the comments below. And I go over how to mix all the different kinds of stuff that I use for this. The cell activator and the different types of paints and stuff. So if you haven't watched that, you might want to check it out. All right, so I'm going to put the cell activator on there, and then I'm going to lift this up and blow it out, and then we will spin it. All right, I'm trying to keep it in camera, in view. Wow, that is so bright. I'm loving it. All right, I am going to let this sit for a couple minutes and let it rise back up, because I kind of blew it pushed down a little. And once it rises back up, then we will spin it. Be right back. All right, let's give it a spin. Go back the other direction. Back counterclockwise again. I mean clockwise. I'm trying to decide if I want to tilt it so it goes off of that side. I think I do. See if I can get it to move just a little. The colors are gorgeous. I am loving how it covered the side too over here. So if you can see that. All right, we are getting almost to the edge. It doesn't have to go all the way to the edge. Okay. I'm gonna bring it back to center. All right. Ah, okay. There it is. Let me just bring you in for a close-up. All right. Here's this little baby. The colors are absolutely stunning. I've got the lacing through there and up in the middle. Looks like a delicate petal over there. Lots of lacing there. I like that corner now that it just has a little bit of white. It just had a little bit too much for me. So that's really pretty right there. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.